Okay, so this is the continuation of the feedback. Just to wrap things up here, the last and strongest point is to have a broad vision that will allow you to create giant companies. Okay, we said that you can just say something about the need, to have a good, strong, broad vision. That's fine. That will allow professionals and business owners or managers to be successful, right? Not necessarily to create giant companies. But you've done a more or less a good job of summarizing the takeaway message, so that's okay. So I would just recommend go back to the rubric and look at all the descriptors, all these bullet points. You will have more than enough time in the exam. It's a take-home exam, so you'll have a few days to write the summary. Make sure that you go back to the rubric and just tick all the boxes, everything that is included in the description for a good grade. Make sure that that is included in your summary. First sentence should be argumentative. The last sentence should summarize the whole lecture. In between there should be cohesion, which you've tried here, with your third point, second point. That's fine, that's very good. Fourth piece of advice. So you've included linking words, very good. Reporting verbs, you've done that as well. He notes, he advises, all of this is good. I would just say really work on your sentence structure and on the clarity of what you're saying. Just be simple. Take a simple sentence structure for each supporting idea and just stick with that. Okay, that'll be my recommendation. Very focused, clear, simple sentences for each supporting idea, because it's important to be able to summarize those ideas clearly, right? So I hope this is helpful, Nurlan, and from now on I will be giving feedback to the evidence paragraph. Okay, good luck.